In Inventor 2024, once again we have improved model-based definition. On the Annotate ribbon, there is now a welding symbol option to allow you to add welding PMI information to your designs. The dialog is almost identical to the drawing environment, allowing you great flexibility over your welding symbols. Of course, as always, we can bring these notes through into the drawing environment. Remember, we don't have to use a weldment assembly for this. 3D weld symbols are also supported in normal assemblies and even multi-body part files. And with QIF or Step 242, we can export this information to other systems and viewers. All this and much more in Inventor 2024.